Guys, what is up today? And remember that video I talked about from June 20th, you know, how with Instagram was releasing latest, newest, biggest surprise. And I called it a surprise because they were releasing a special event, but I called it a surprise because it was a surprise for all of us. Let's just say Instagram TV is now here. Let's say when you go on Instagram, you see this little thing up above here. Let's just say Instagram TV is now here, and you can actually watch all your creators and all that other stuff. And I actually put my show on Instagram as well. So Instagram TV is now here, and if you don't have the app of Instagram TV, you can download it and you can actually upload it from the app, or you can go on Instagram and just hit that little button, and yeah, that's usually how it is. So yeah, that is pretty much it on that note. That's how Instagram TV actually works. All you have to do is just download the Instagram TV app. I will have a link in the description. It's for iOS or Android, one of the two, for Instagram. They released it June 20th. So yeah, that is what's new on Instagram. That is my review on Instagram TV. Let's just say Instagram TV is gonna be the hugest competition for YouTube. I'm just saying, a lot of people are on Instagram every day than YouTube, apparently. They're more watching and clicking on Instagrams than more on YouTube, I'm just saying. So, I'm just saying on that one, So let me know what your thoughts on this one. Do you like Instagram? Have you been on Instagram? Are you on Instagram? If you're on Instagram, go follow me of @SemiesLive. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below of what you think, alright? Of Instagram TV and is this gonna be a huge competition for YouTube? Which I believe it's going to be a huge competition for YouTube because more people like myself is on Instagram. Everyone's on Instagram. Everyone loves Instagram. I'm just saying. So, I'm just saying, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button up there and make sure you follow me all over the internet of @SemiesLive. See ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.